Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Counter-Strike 2 black screen problem. Guys, first open up the Steam, then just click on the Counter-Strike 2 game, then just click on the gear icon and just go to your game properties. And here you will see the launch option. If your Counter-Strike 2 has a black screen problem on startup, so just type here the command which is -dx11. Now launch the game, then check if the black screen issue is fixed or not. If not, then just type here -dx12. Now launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just remove this launch option and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game, then launch the game, then check. If you have the Discord installed on your PC, then just disable the Discord overlay, then launch the game, then check. Sometimes the Discord overlay interfere with the game and cause the black screen issues on your game. So just disable the Discord overlay, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just go to the install file, then just click on the verify integrity of game files. Now it will take some time, so just wait for it, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. And guys, once you click on that, simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on the game launcher of your Counter-Strike 2. Make a right click on it and go to its properties, then just go to the compatibility tab, and here just check the box of administrator, then just click on the apply. Now launch the game, then check. Now Counter-Strike 2, if it still has the black screen problem, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization, then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just click on the, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Now click on the apply. Now launch the game, then check. Still you are getting the black screen problem, so just click on the OK. Now the next step is to go to your Windows search and just type here the updates and open it. As update your Windows, and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date, because the graphic card drivers are a common problem why your game has a black screen. So once you update your graphic card driver, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. And guys, this is how you can fix this problem. And if you find this video helpful and if your problem is fixed, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.